It is Teddy Atlas. We're watching it. Dante's Boxing Nation. Keep watching. Keep watching.
All right, Dante's Boxing Nation over here. My man Tim Bradley.
What's happening, man? How you doing, Dante?
All right, I like that little hashtag you just put out there. You said you're gonna be a smart monster, not a dumb monster. Elaborate on that.
Smart monster. You know, Teddy been sent through training camp. He's gonna definitely test and see how strong I really am, and you know that means mentally, my mental toughness. How strong can I follow the game plan? Can I do what I'm supposed to do? What we taught, what we've done the whole camp. Can I put that in perspective on November 7th? And that's why I say smart monster, not a dumb monster. Smart monster. You know, I have a tendency of fighting with just my heart and determination. But y'all gonna see a huge difference, man. November 7th, man. Great training camp. Teddy is, I don't want to even say it right now. After November 7th, y'all gonna see. And then y'all be able to make y'all assessment, and then I'll go off on the mouth. Then after November 7th, after we take care of business.
But wasn't that hard though? A first training camp, a trainer and a fighter, it's always a new experience.
It is a new experience, but when you have a teacher like Teddy, and when you have a student that's willing to learn and willing to take it all in, because I want to be at my best, and I want to learn new things. That's what you get, man. You get great training camps, and you get two guys, a great student and a great teacher. And you know, we go 110% in there, man, 110%. And that's the reason why we've been able to work and make the changes. You know, he's been so disciplined. I've been so disciplined. He's been so on me. Camp has been completely different than any other camp that I've ever done. There's no cell phones in the gym. There's no music in the gym. You know, I have a curfew 10 o'clock. You know, he manages everything that I do. He knows. I even talk to him even when we leave the gym. I talk to him about 4 times before I go to sleep at night. So everything, his focus, he cares. We talk about everything. We talk about what we did today, you know, in training. We talk about the diet. Am I, you know, staying on my diet? Am I doing the right things? Talk about running. How are you feeling? Everything a trainer is supposed to do. That's what Teddy does. Everything.
And we also talk about which one of you guys has the dumbest or the smartest questions. Talk about that a little bit.
We got a battle now. Hey, now you kind of alluded to it, but you didn't go there yet. But I got to ask the question because I'm hearing fans say, you know, you can't change trainers so late in your career, and you're fighting against a dangerous puncher. What's your reaction and response to fans that say they almost look at it like it could be a negative as opposed to a positive? What do you?
Well, everybody has their own perspective on it, their own outlook on it. But you know, the fans that's saying that, are they fighters? Have they ever trained trainers? Do they play sports? Have they ever had a new teacher?
Yeah.
You know,
yeah.
So you know, how can you just say that? You know, I look at it as hey, I made a change in my career that I felt that was detrimental and better for me. And this training camp, the way it went, the sparring sessions, taping the sparring sessions, reviewing what I did right, what I did wrong. Man, come on, nobody's doing that, man. There's no teachers in this sport anymore. They're all towel holders. A lot of trainers are towel holders nowadays. They hold a towel. I'm a trainer. This guy. No, I'm telling you, man. If you have it's like going to boot camp with Teddy. It's every minute, every second, all day, every day. Even on Sunday, even on Saturday, it's all day. That's what we talking. We talking. Constantly planning, staying on the same page all the time. You don't have that nowadays. Not in any other training camp that I've ever been in. Teddy Atlas is, I'm telling you, he's the best trainer in the world. I promise you, man. November 7th, y'all check the fight out. Everybody, all the fans that's curious about, you know, can you change a fighter in 7 weeks? Just go see what we do, man. Go see what we do on the 7th. Tune in, watch this. It's gonna be a masterful performance.
Nice. Now Brandon Rios, he said I don't know what it is with Tim. For some reason he's taking it personal, and I'm not taking it personal. Do you have any type of personal disdain for him? Is it just, you know, a fight or what?
I don't know where that statement came from. No, I'm not. Nothing personal. It's just business. It's nothing personal with Rios. I'm just, I want to win, and you know, that's all it is. I just want to win. I want to be at my very best. Nothing personal. I don't have anything bad to say about Rios. It is what it is. Hey, we're gonna go in there and we both made the best victor win. That's it. Made the best fighter win.
Now, you're not known as a puncher, obviously, but do you think because Rios has defense problems, you think you can actually hurt him?
I'm not worried about knocking Rios out. I'm just worried about winning every round and round by round. That's all I'm worried about. Knockouts, we're not even thinking about knockouts. That's Teddy was like, don't think about knockouts. That's not what we're here for, man. You know, we're here to get the job done, and we're here to do it correctly, do it the right way, limit your mistakes.
It's your girl time.
No, I'm sorry. Walk up to me first. Walk all the way like this.
Okay.
It's the time you watch it. Dante.
Well, I gotta walk like that, like I'm.
No. You ain't gonna walk like me. Well, I ain't gonna try to mimic.
No.
I ain't gonna try to mimic your sexy walk. All right. Ready? Go ahead.
What's up? This your girl time. You watching Dante's Boxing Nation. Hey.
Dope.